I don't understand why they're doing this. What's the apartment
Correct.
mix? So the contract goes high. So I've got an old friend of mine who's coming into the market and looking to invest in a studio. Part of my team's already been helping her find and look through different opportunities and prospects. I'm going to do a quick call and give her like some feedback, kind of go through a quick due diligence on one of the properties that she might be interested in and give her some fair advice to help her move the process forward. So you're going to hear us. We're going to cut out anything that's very personal in terms of information, but you'll get an idea and adjust. And if you'll read the description, you'll understand what's the kind of evaluation process you need to also kind of undertake when you're looking at different properties. So you're not making just a decision from your gut feeling, though you can if you get really good at it. You're looking at following an organized process to make a good decision for yourself. So let's get to it. All right, let's call her now. Okay, just 1 minute. Hey, ये जो developer है ना, not a good reputation.
Okay.
Okay, आपको ना इनकी buildings कुछ देखनी है जाके JVC में. They do buildings in Ajman. They don't deliver value. They're focused on delivering and rental income.
अच्छा.
ठीक है, आपको इनकी एक बिल्डिंग देखनी है which is 2-3-4 years old in JVC. ठीक है, आप उसकी जाके देखो कि क्या मेंटेनेंस चल रही है, क्या सिचुएशन है, what is the current situation in the building and all of that. ठीक है, so you'll get a very good idea. I don't have a very good opinion on.
Okay.
ठीक है, number one. Number two, if the building has only studios, 500 studios, your
Yeah.
facilities, common facilities are going to get run down super fast. Which means that 2 or 3 years later, when you're looking to sell this apartment or liquidate to move into your money into something else, you're going to suffer very big, because जो भी viewing के लिए आएगा ना, वो corridor, lobby में walk करेगा, elevator में walk करेगा, जैसे वो अपार्टमेंट में आएगा. You know, studios, इतने सारे single people, इतने सारे apartments में using the elevators so much, it puts a lot of pressure, which brings the cost of maintenance, etc. very high. ठीक है, फिर ये 19 dirhams. How old is the building right now?
The 4 months पहले ही handover हुआ है. It is still not with RERA. The developer is still doing it. I think वो RERA को
ये 19
जाने के लिए
dirhams 19 dirhams में कुछ खांचा है. This is really garbage.
19 dirham is?
इसमें कुछ खांचा है. There's something wrong with 19 dirhams. Because
हाँ, मतलब मुझे भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
it's the developer is making money because you know we're coming out of a weird pandemic situation. There is a possibility that they're charging extra. बाद में when it gets revised at RERA or whatever the case is, when it goes through Mulak, they could refund it to you. जो लोग refund मांगेंगे, yeah, another one just did this recently. They ended up, they asked for 20 dirhams on a building. It was quoted at 15. At the time of handover, they said 20. And I don't understand why they're doing this. So, 19 में already कुछ issue है. But 19 could be the reason कि देखिए ना, जब elevators वाले आए होंगे और elevators के साथ आप 10 year का 3 year का maintenance का contract sign करते हैं. Elevator वाले भी देखते हैं कि यार ये इसमें इस annual maintenance contract में इस elevator की servicing कितनी होगी. Studios के apartment का mix क्या है? What's the apartment mix? Okay, Seoul Studios. Okay, we expect that the elevator might need, instead of a 6-month servicing, every 4 months. So instead of 2 servicing a year, it will require 4 servicing. Instead of the parts and maintenance.
AMC increases.
Everything increases, so the contract goes high. Pool, chlorine, right? If it's 500 studios, bachelors, executives, whatever the case is, what are they going? It's not a hotel. What? This is 19. Why don't you buy it downtown? 19
because I
dirham.
don't have that kind of money for the sale price.
नहीं मजाक करो वो पैसे that money you will have, but the thing is what you don't want to do is you don't want to be in a situation where you are paying so much in service charges which comes out of your pocket from the rent, so your net income goes down, plus the resellability of a building like this in 3 years. Take the car, Premjit, find out the other buildings in JVC. I won't send you to Sharjah and Ajman. Find out the other JVC buildings, take a car and go and visit them. Maybe you'll be impressed. I could be wrong. You know, maybe you're like नहीं फात भाई तो जो कह रहे थे ये बिल्डिंग को 3 साल हो गए 4 साल हो गए, बिल्डिंग तो अच्छी दिख रही है, चलो ठीक है अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि यू नो इस तरह का जो डेवलपर है ना they're not gonna maintain the building to a certain standard. वो उनका पर्सनल स्टैंडर्ड होगा. When you compare this तो I think दूर है ना,
बहुत दूर है. We are not keen.
when you
दूर, not only दूर, the problem is with the size of the apartments, very small.
forget. और ये डिस्कवरी में ये कितनी दूर था मेट्रो से?
Not very far.
कितना वॉकिंग
Okay.
लाइक 5
3-4 minutes बोला 10
3-4 minutes. आंख बंद करके ले लो.
Really?
बालकनी ढूंढ लो, अगर बालकनी मिलती है किसी चीज में that'll be a plus. हाँ यू नो डिस्कवरी में बालकनी नहीं है, लेकिन मेट्रो की वजह से ना आपको टेनेंट देखो बहुत दुनिया उधर रहती है जिनके पास गाड़ियाँ नहीं है और दे आर मूविंग इनटू गेटिंग अ कार. हमारे सारे फिलिपिनो भाई, इंडियन भाई, श्रीलंकन भाई, कुछ पाकिस्तानी भी उधर बहुत रहते हैं. एंड उसमें अच्छा उसमें ये है कि do like you know they don't provide 5-star facilities to the entire community, but उनका थोड़ा हाथ रहता है उसके ऊपर. Like they do some kind of you know maintaining it in a right way and so थोड़ा सा वो रखते हैं उस पे manageable. दूसरा वो Legends में था ना 450 में. Okay, दूसरा ये भी है कि if you take if for में थोड़ा सा हाथ अपने उंगलियां आपको गिननी पड़ेंगी हाथ में लाके.
है ही नहीं भाई.
क्या
है ही नहीं.
क्या मतलब?
उंगलियां ना हाथ.
हाँ वो थोड़ा सा वो थोड़ा ख्याल करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन
वो उसके लिए फिर अगले साल तक वेट करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं उसके लिए अगर आप अगले साल तक वेट करोगे, लेकिन देखो वेट अगर तो बिल्डिंग का स्ट्रक्चर सब कंप्लीटेड है और 6 महीने की डेट दे रहे हैं, लेकिन वो 6 से एक साल हो जाएगा तो ठीक है, लेकिन आप उसमें थोड़ा सा कवर कर लेना अपने आप को. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इस तरह का साइन कर लें कि हम सिर्फ 20% देंगे, 30% देंगे, बैलेंस हम लोग देंगे जब आप हैंड ओवर करोगे. इट्स वर्थ लुकिंग एट. अगर नहीं करना, देख अगर का सिंपल है प्रेमजीत, फाइंड आउट अ फ्यू बिल्डिंग्स इन JVC एंड लेट हर विजिट दोस टू चेक की क्वालिटी. ये बिल्डिंग ऑन इट्स ओन तो 500 स्टूडियो में मत जाओ. You are going to yeah it's not
मुझे लगता है ये ज्यादा ये pertinent point है कि 500 में जाना is not making sense.
Okay guys, so thanks for watching. My name again is Fahad Daud. I've been doing this for 14 plus years. I started in 2006 in Toronto, Canada, and since 2007 I've been doing this in Dubai. I generally talk about real estate, your life, my life, and our path to allowing financial bliss coming to us. If you want to work with me, such as buy a property in Dubai, or you need general advice, you can hit me up on in the contact form below. If you've liked this video, I'd appreciate if you subscribe, press the bell icon, and hit the like button and share it with other friends. Ciao for now.